You're just sitting there, and suddenly it hits you. A tickle in your nose. You try to stop it, but it's too late. Achoo. But did you know that sneeze just traveled at nearly 100 miles per hour? Sneezing isn't just a simple reaction. It's your body's emergency eject button. Tiny irritants, dust, pollen, even sunlight, can trigger your brain to send a signal. Your body freezes for a split second, then boom. A powerful burst clears your nose in less than a second. Your heart might pause, your eyes close. Your whole body jumps into action without you even thinking. It's fast, it's strange, and it's smart. And next time it happens, don't be embarrassed. Your sneeze just saved your body from tiny invaders.